Are you snacking?
Shut up. Shut
Are
the
you
fuck
snacking on Doritos?
Shut the no, nigga. Ah! You dumb shit! You stupid motherfucker!
Alright, chat, today we're playing Panicore. Panicore. It already sounds scary, low key. This music is kind of making me tear up. Yeah, you can. If you're on Twitch, if you're on Kick, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you pull up to the live. We're streaming on both platforms right now, so please no ERs. Please no ERs. Bro, I don't know why I thought your name just said the B rapiest boy. I don't know why. I know. I'm finna host a game. Holy, only 2 people. Hold on. What? Oh. I just sent you an invite. Thing you did with your hands? How did I forget? I literally did it.
Hi.
Who this? Yo, who you? Yo, son. You good? Shitty booty ass nigga.
City wasn't made for you.
Oh hell no! Somebody came in there doing bullshit. Hold on, I'm gonna put this.
Again.
Get your tools to be ready.
Hold on.
I know, I was on that bitch.
I was wondering what the fuck you was doing that shit for. Hold on, that echo's crazy.
No cap. Oh, you ready to go? Hold on. Yo, Wagwan, are you police? 12.
No, I'll change.
Type shit.
No policia.
No policia.
Who's this?
No policia?
Who's this?
No me gusta
I just-
policia. I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah, click the car.
Hold on, no, I'm finna Shazam this joint real quick. This hoe go crazy.
I'm clicking.
What does it say?
It doesn't say anything. It's just give me a handprint.
Yeah. Hit E.
You gotta interact.
There we go.
All right, chat. Everybody locking. After the explorers go to the place, they find out that something is not normal. Shortly after they are... Don't stare at the camera like that. You can't hold eye contact or something.
Alright, ladies. Listen to this radio real quick. Fuck! She's coming!
Fuck you mean?
She's coming!
What the f is that? Ah! Bro, I didn't even get to do it. What the fuck? This nigga setting us up. Look at him. Yo. Man. Nah. Yo, gang.
You have to pick up your stuff.
Aren't we supposed to be quiet?
Yeah, they can hear us.
Okay. Wait. How do I crouch? Oh, I got it. Wait, does making noise count?
What is that?
Shh. How do I turn it off?
What is that? Are you snacking?
Shut the fuck up. She's right there behind me.
Are you snacking?
Shut up. Shut the
Are you
fuck
snacking on Doritos?
Shut the fuck up. No, nigga. Ah! You dumb
shit!
bitch! You stupid motherfucker!
That one kind of big.
Bro, stop eating the fucking chips!
Oh, you can hear me?
It's fucking buffoon, bro. I'm sitting here telling this nigga's, are you smacking on chips? I'm sitting here telling this nigga, shut the fuck up, she's behind you. This nigga gets louder. Are you smacking on Doritos? Bro.
Gang. I mean some garlic bread. This shit going crazy.
Stone, shut the fuck up, nigga. The whole point is to shut the fuck up.
It's all right. He can't hear this out though. Anyways, when you're dead, he can't hear you. You know what? Actually, eat some of that. Oh fuck!
What the fuck is that?
That's the Grim Reaper, my nigga.
Run!
He can't.
His neck is fucking.
He can't hear you. You broke back.
Broke back.
He can't hear you guys when you're dead.
Nigga, I'm telling y'all to run.
All right. Get up.
Stop
Get up.
talking!
Nigga, I just died again. He picked me up for me to die again.
I fucking tried. I fucking.
Okay, that's my fault.
Alright.
I went to go get my garlic bread. That's my fault. That shit was
All right. Which one of you fucking goofy goobers was eating fucking potato chips?
I was eating my garlic bread. That's my fault. That shit was busting.
Jesus.
That shit was busting. I didn't think they could hear me.
Yeah, oh fuck yeah, they can.
I was
Yeah,
dead.
that skin suit can fucking hear you, dude.
When I'm dead.
Oh yeah. No, when you're dead, he can't hear nothing. He can't. When you're dead, it
I
doesn't.
was dead.
Bro, Marshall, I'm sitting here telling you.
One of you
Marshall,
motherfuckers was chewing on
Marshall,
fucking
it,
potato.
Marshall, it doesn't matter.
What?
If I'm telling you be quiet, she's behind you, why are you getting louder?
Oh hell no! I'll say the N-word right now.
Say it.
I'll say the N-word right now, bro.
You won't.
What you? Y'all motherfucking need to get.
Hey,
I'm
nigga.
not even white.
Wait,
Grab your
hold on,
tools.
hold on,
Grab your
hold on,
tools.
hold
We
on,
go
look at-
again.
bro, look at his
Grab your
skin.
tools. We go again.
Wait, hold on.
Grab.
Wait, no, look at
What
his
the
skin.
hell?
Look
What
at his
funky
skin.
ass dance?
Wait, no. Hold on,
Hey,
wait.
go
Look at
grab the
his skin.
tools
I
so
can
we
change
can
that.
go
I can
Look at
again.
his skin. His skin is all. He got blackheads and shit. What
Wait, I
the
can change.
fuck?
I could change that. I can change
Crocodile
that.
skin.
I'm all in
You
your
got
nostrils,
eczema,
nigga.
Don't you?
I'm
You
all
got
in your
eczema.
nostrils, nigga.
Egg.
I'm
You
all in
got
your nostrils,
eczema.
nigga. Now, before we get in here, everybody shut the fuck up
Yeah,
and
hurry
whisper.
up.
You shut the fuck up.
Yeah, hurry up, you spooky.
You're not really easy, nigga.
Hey, yo.
Biggest thing not to do is scream into your mic.
As he does.
No, I'm trying to help you motherfuckers out. She's coming.
Oh God, are you not hearing this?
Fuck!
Run! Up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs.
That nigga clicking the shit out of his keyboard.
I got this, gabagoon.
It's a good boy.
Can you say that again?
Bro, stop, bro. Stop, bro.
Did you see her? Stop.
I have a med kit on me. Run. She'll see you no matter what. Run. No, get out.
Why are you still in the room? Get out of the closet! You fucking dickhead. This nigga stinks. This nigga.
Okay.
Blood.
Here, hold on. Let me explain how this map works. Okay, so you need to get. There's 2 escapes, so you can get the car tire iron. Yeah, there's two escapes, so you can get wood, which we need 3 woods and a rope to escape for the ladder way. Or but you need 3 of them. Or you can use the tire iron, the tire, motor oil, shit like that. But we need keys to be able to get out. But there's 2 fucking ways.
This is what the file looks like. Right here.
You see? Oh, I saw it. Oh my gosh, bro. Like what are the odds? That thick ass fucking monster, gang. Like, this nigga threw the glass, bro. Come on, gang.
I got the emergency room joint.
Bro, somebody threw a glass and that nigga turned around and got my ass.
Bro, he killed you, my fault.
You said you got the what? You said you got the what?
The emergency door key.
Heard.
Should I open the one downstairs?
Low key. Get away. I'm making a lot of noise. Get away. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. Let's go. Son of a bitch. Can't, bro.
I got you, don't worry. I got the tool to fix the tire. Why, bro? Why? Like, and I just sat there like an idiot, bro. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Good. Why do I feel like you're lying? Sound like he's unzipping my pants.
I saw another one on the stairs.
Another what?
Do you have a med kit?
Nope.
Don't go in there.
Yo, what's good, Jax? It's the word, twin. How was your day today? I'm not supposed to be talking, so I gotta whisper, or else the monster's gonna hear me. Take my cheeks.
That nigga's guarding the first aid pack. Oh, let's go.
Thanks. Got you. Got you. We gotta find a tire. I already filled the oil. I got one. But also, I think if we get a tire, we can get out of here because I already put the gas in.
Follow me, follow me.
It said this. There is a plank already.
Wait.
Yo, it's good, Jax. I can't talk. I'm not supposed to talk. Cut that motherfucker. We need one more. I know we're missing one.
I got the tire.
Hey, go to the car. Go to the car. Y'all can get out. Go to the car. Go to the car. Go to the car. Stone, it's literally just you. You make it out. Oh my gosh, Stone, if you make it out, we're done. Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I literally just found the last piece of wood too. I literally just found that bitch.
Let's go.
I just found the last.
Big W's.
Found that bitch.
All right, that's a great way to end this game off for tonight.
Cause nigga, bro, I ain't never shut the fuck up so well in my life. Nigga, I shut the fuck up with gusto. What the? Hold on, let me put the hit tag on. What the fuck is this nigga doing? The motherfucking cabbage patch?
What the fuck is this nigga hitting the shoe? Joe,
What the
shoe.
fuck?
What the fuck?
Press X.
Press X. Oh, hey.
Hold on. I want to shoot that motherfucker though. Did I just start tanging?
Hey.
Shoot, 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 shoot. Hey, shoot.
Hold on.
All right, man. That's the first. That's the wrap for episode 1, chapter 1.
Unlike the other game, though.
No cap.
We ain't finished the other joint. Niggas abandoned that bitch. That bitch is a little too.
What is Ma wearing on his bed? A bonnet? All right, man. I'm gonna catch y'all. Yeah, bro. Appreciate you. I'm gonna add you on Steam.
Alright, bet.
Yo, shout out the Panther, bro. Shout out the Panther, bro. Shout out the Panther, bro.
Hey, let's go. I don't even pop out no more. Damn, I just be in the house getting bored. Be on the gang, get money, sit forward. When I was outside, they ain't open the door. Lord, no, I wanna talk to my granny. Straight out the coupe, I ain't having a hand.